Hi, Charles here. We're in Brown County State Park in Nashville, less than an hour from our house in Seymour. We thought we'd just run over for the night and just do a teeny bit of camping and then head back home tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Of course, our van is kind of pretty minimal and in many ways, and this trip definitely is. We didn't bring any food. We just ate over at Big Woods at the distillery part, and we're going to probably eat breakfast at the inn. We decided not to mess with food. I brought a Kindle to watch a movie if you want to. Susie's really worn out. She did a little trip with a couple of grandkids today, so we're just going to kind of relax. We just kind of wanted to get to a park, you know. It was a fruitful week, just not a lot going on yesterday and today. And so we'll get back tomorrow mid-morning. We're not going to, after breakfast, we'll just head back home and get some work done, and then Susie's got to go out of town again. So we're getting done when we can, but I would say, you know, as soon as we get that countertop attached and I get a hole cut inside that kitchen cabinet to run the wires in, and I've already pre-wired some of it. I've got butt connectors already on, some of the wires ready to finish them, and we'll get it in, locked down, then I can reach in and do my wiring, and then we'll bring the sink in, and that'll be the last big thing to do. I noticed when we were waiting in line to come in the campground, I thought there's two screws not in, two holes right there as you walk in the cargo door. So I'm sure we're going to find a few more things like that, but it looks good. It's quiet on the road. We don't have things rattling, and we just have to make sure we have the fan down and locked, or it can pick up a lot of wind up there. But other than that, this little camping trip, it is a little camping trip. It was just interesting to be on the highway and see if we hear a lot of noise, and really don't. So we're definitely have to get our act together on how we're going to organize inside there, but it's going to work out great. So we'll see what else I can throw into this episode just to kind of wind up the week, and then next week for sure we'll be 98.5% done. Well, I've seen this overlook at Brown County Park a zillion times. The campground's right down that way, Straw Lake. And I wish we'd gotten up a little earlier, but I was just really warm and comfy in our camper. This is a happy van right now. It's meant to be out in places like this. So we are really excited to get this journey started. And we are just happy and thrilled about how it looks and how everything came together. It's not an overdone van. I can't wait to get it weighed next week, because I know it's going to be well under what most people do, because it meets our needs, and we're very excited. And Susie's a happy camper in there right now because she's got the heater. If we'd brought our little heater, we would have taken the chill out this morning when he got up. But actually it wasn't bad at all. Slept wonderfully. So we're excited, and we're going to go eat some breakfast right now. Well, Susie, I'm sorry. The video clip we did yesterday after getting back from camping, there was no sound. So
yeah, it was really good too.
It was really good. Well, you kind of fussed at me and said, it's long enough, they don't need anymore.
Too long.
It was like 94 seconds. Anyway, we went camping. It was fun. Mm-hmm. It was not full-blown
really
camping.
Relaxing.
Yeah, it was nice. And no cooking, no nothing, and we don't really make a big deal about cooking.
Right.
So we're having a couple of rainy days here, so that kind of makes it, that cargo door, putting this cabinet in, it makes it not really work well. Plus, I don't want to wire and have wet stuff. But anyway, so what's happening here? What are you doing?
I'm beefing up the corners. I'm using both this kind and the other kind, the L.
Oh, yeah. Angle bracket.
Angle, whatever.
Because these really need to be beefed up, because they're
It's just particle of wood glued together.
Yeah, something like that. But so I would love to go have her put it in and let me wire it, but really that's the least that needs to be done. So once she finishes doing this, we're going to flip it over. I think
we're going to take part of the floor out
Yeah.
to attach it properly to the bottom of the camper
Yeah.
floor. Bottom to the
floor.
top of the camper floor.
The floor.
The
yeah.
floor.
Down there. Down there.
Yeah, yeah.
And but we don't want to take it all out because that it is kind of holding it together.
Yes.
For what it's worth.
Yeah.
And then we're going to flip it, and you're going to put the countertop. Get the
Well, I'm
countertop.
going to beef up the bottom.
Yeah.
And then put this
Countertop
on. Then he's going to do the wiring, and then I'm going to put the sink in.
Well, bring it in, mount it, wiring, and then sink. Or I may just let you do the sink.
And faucet. Faucet. That's going to be a pain.
I don't know. That's going to work out fine. Anyway, so we're just going to stop this little episode right here. Yeah, I thought we'd have everything done, but yeah, it's going to be gorgeous next week.
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll easily get it knocked out, and maybe go another night or two camping.
Yeah.
And then Florida, I think we're going to go to Florida the week after is my plan right now to film a few new Runaway Camper videos. Even though we've sold ours, we're still part of the Runaway family and very good friends with the owners. And I think that's enough right there. Mm-hmm. And thanks for watching.